Tell them a rapid me fire, they shotting me fire, me strapping them clapping like an in the choir. Cannot even prayer, cannot heal them gaya. Them chatting some liar when machine gun fire, blood washing skin look like when matches burn.
Yo, you're messing the people that's the name fully charged. Give him a listen. Baddest thing in Jamaica.
So Supreme Box Production. A fully charged ultimate being. Hey girl, hold on, don't weep. Move fuck you very hard. Make a kid.
Yo, the full song up on him channel, people. Listen for more.
It's cold feet, make pressure bust your pipe. Then the pussy start leak on the cold concrete. Brawling from Queen Street.
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Boss! Comment on this video right here, so that one here, to see your comment over this video and this video I will post. I will post every single day, 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. So you might want to comment from right now. If you don't subscribe it, subscribe and help me reach 10,000 subscribers, because that's the goal, that's the aim for this year. Right now, I'm gonna say it out. We want to reach 7K before the month you're done. We can do it. And I gotta do it with God's help. Big up on yourself as usual. Thank you for the continued support. Now I'm gonna address that matter here real quick. So yesterday I react to Masicka. Grandfather. You over some try to say, people, see if you're new to the channel or never know. December the 29th, we start the reaction. 2019. You over some try to say, and like I'm honest, me never know some Masicka did them something dirty dog, and the man them one person say them ready your style, but artist, you black. So on the stage, so dog. But what PH from that? But me read my comments on like some YouTubers and my address people. You see, people are comment some things and reply to them. What me say, what you gonna do? I think just a comment. You see me? But anyway, so I'm Masicka, sad dog freestyle. Now, the day when them attempt to react to this from a long time, you understand me? I try to say that from the start last week, when we started the cartel lyricist series I'm do. You can go check out that on channel. From last week, I say, yo, Masicka bad too, no check out that freestyle. Masicka bill lyrics are kicking out in the teeth and that's so I'm gonna miss that. So right now we have this, you see me I say. And they don't know, say, once it's part there for do it, I can do it, you know. They don't much chance. So subscribe to the channel for me telling you already. I like how the video makes us a boom, boom, boom. Outside and get them outside. Run through Tyrekevlogs. Yeah.
Masicka, you know. Yo, Rasty, turn up that night bomb cloth headphone there.
Alright.
Sin City, you know.
Sin City. Right now, me instrumental and so I say people dead, you know. You understand me? Not even going to talk too long in the dog. Run tune.
Current kick, you know.
Yeah.
Leaving I talking.
Nah, shake it, hold on.
Bad for real. Zimmy. Tell them a rapid me fire, they shotting me fire, me strapping them.
Hold on. I forgot to start it all back now. So, it didn't even start yet. But two of the man jumping on the track, you know, so that go bad. Honestly, I never heard that again before. I had a freestyle like before. Me not tell no lie. Me hear it a long time ago. Because I'm telling you, I wasn't a a big fan of music until recent. You understand me? I run through now Tyrekevlogs.
Zimmy.
Yeah, me know.
Tell them a rapid me fire, they shotting me fire, me strapping them clapping like an in the choir. Cannot even prayer, cannot heal them gaya. Them chatting some liar when machine gun fire, blood washing skin look like when matches burn tire. Just by the strap me call that the umpire. Anytime it rise boy out, current a kick like me strap with some wire.
Yeah.
Frequent flyer, shopping gun buyer. Me the streets them a hire, for the seas them gaya. Can me bad like alliance plus 3 empire. Pass me the steel with them.
Well, I man say bad like alliance plus 3 empire. And let alone me get from me to the dog. Me a whole heap more punchline a while ago on the dog. Me a whole heap of lyrics a while ago now. But me just a try mess it. All you gonna run back in. You know you gonna run back in that tune, dog. You know you gonna run back in that bumbuckler tune, dog. Masicka, the man not even take a breath yet. Right now me go from me there from the start. I know the man not take a little breath to the people. You run tune.
Shotting me fire, me strapping them clapping like an in the choir. Cannot even prayer, cannot heal them gaya. Them
the man said that even prayer can heal them gaya. I'm not even talking to him. Go on.
When machine gun fire, blood washing skin look like when matches burn tire. Just by the strap me call that the umpire. Anytime it rise boy out, current a kick like me strap with some.
Man say anytime him rise boy out. So when them fire out on the film fire, bumbuckler. Yo, a BFI emoji in that section right now. BFI emoji in the comment section. We don't want 1 and 2 commenting. I want 3 and 4 and 5 commenting. So run tune.
Wire, frequent flyer, shopping gun buyer. Me the streets them a hire, for the seas them gaya. Can me bad like alliance plus 3 empire. Pass me the steel with them feel can tire.
Yo dog, no dog. The man say bad like alliance. What on the dog? The man say him the streets them a hire for. Yo! You never fear. John no star run back in that tune like a bit. Blood clot. Run June.
Buy me the streets, them a hire for the seas, them Gaia. Call me bad like alliance plus 3 empire. Pass me the steel with them feel can tire.
Yeah.
Up on the Benz like, what's up? Squeeze up a chica till that broke shot boss kidnap them, girl get me cock suck. None of them nobody, them just a chat tough.
Damn, well I know more for you, but come on say, well I go, come on, be a something. Squeeze up chica till that man say, what on? Run June no Tyrekevlogs.
Squeeze up a chica till that broke shot boss kidnap them, girl get me cock suck. None of them nobody, them just a chat tough. Mommy don't fret, cause your son ever girl, cause they talk them a broad, send the gun them a yard.
Yeah.
Them roll out, now they under a car, them a pound, so me yam them lunch like a dog. Oh, just a run them tongue like a girl, pass me the wall, cut a head a bounce like a ball.
Oh God! I wish mama did there. I wish somebody live under. And when me never start the YouTube for them long time, yeah, dog. Bumbo clad, Rancho.
Eve, young general, when pussy violate and the feds me go call. Me rise up a strap, with the line on the top, then me line up a chop. Figure bind up your block when the 9 just a clap. Some guys just a act one bag a top. Me the advise if you stop the police, them a scream, me the pies if you rat. Just get a deal, figure lies to the glock.
Look, wala. Why am about police and pies if you rat? While I run back in that tune. John, what dog? Can you range up of yourself? Bumbo clad. Yo! Run June!
Eyes of a rat, just get a deal, figure lies to the glock. So you know that legal, if you kick them up like Steve Seagal. All on the Razzie, me spliff out. Me them a bumbo clad play with. You will never see Masicka quarrels, drop with a barrel. Fi knock in a forehead and knock kiss me parrot. This that is retarded, white shirt red like it drop in a sorry. Now act like show where you watching a car.
Clad, no! Sorry, not even red Masicka. Yo, if that freestyle are bad, people want to run more than 200 likes per that video right now and big FI emotions in the comment section. You understand me? Yeah, man. Run out. Bumbo class, sad dog. A long time somebody comment this in the comment section in the dog. But I think SCT do it. And who else me say do it a while ago? More people do it, dog. But let's remember the day one's the name because them ever there from day one. You know what I mean? Run June.
Kidnap your kid plus the cat you're married. When me say dog and a ratty me garbage, shot make skin peel like it chop in the RC. No fingerprint can me walk with a glove. Never turn up a coat cause the lord and me judge can't catch me a stray. Me no party a club, can't trick me with gal. Me no fall in a love. Me good dear.
What up? The man said never turn up a court. Yo, this bad. I mess me the rest of the song. I'm not going to pass it no more, dog. Unless it's just something very, very sick. I'm going to stop you. You know, run through type, bro.
You walk with a slug, shut a fall like rain. Now your yard it a flood. No girl it no rope on me knife. Think
no, me have a pass. The man said shut a fall like rain. Now your yard it a flood. Buckler. Shut a flow like rain. And your yard it a flood. You know how much blood clean shot that? Yo, run through.
War with a tug. Go tell anyone of me foes. The bomber they close. Turn man in a ghost. Rassy the Mackie. Sound like smarty with horse. It polish like furniture from in a court. Smooth grip it no make me and make a course. Pebbles na face.
God, I first hear somebody use a course in a lyrics and a but man say polish like furniture. When a course. Me need up well making a youth. Bumbo create. Yo, run through now, run through.
Me just pores, me get in the money. Bang in the horse, shut a kick like Jackie Chan in the shoes. Them fi know we bad. Them fi know. Me say them fi know we bad. Current a kick in a dog. Baddest thing alive right now. Think of that at the Mach 90 me send she and go by. Give them a chat but at no fear no guy. Face a fry, gun sing like ear supply. When this clap road like
face a fry, face a walla blood clot. You know me a lyrics already, but can't get lyrics in that. What the man say? Whatever like face a fry, ear supply. Yo, what the fuck, bruh?
Plane no fly, Richie. Every man pan the lane a killer. This me. Every man in them lane a die. If your ears a Masicka, give them drape a lie. Like the tax pan the party, shot you raise up high. So a funeral, the whole place a cry. Bust the witness throat when the case a try. Run in a your yard, gate a fly. The boy wake a try. Escape the eye, millions a tie. Run your blood clot neck, ratchet up in your face. Misplace your eye. Under me spliff and run. Blood tick and run. So that take couple days to try.
Them dead? Buckler, people run out there and like button people and run out there and comment section BFI emoji. Like up the video. 10k subscribers I go for. Thank you for the support as usual. I'm out.